Chicago approach, good evening, Skyhawk 842 Kilo Papa.
Number 842 Kilo Papa.
Affirmative, sir, 842 Kilo Papa is VFR clear for Bravo off of Lewis, currently 2,000 feet. With information echo, I'd like to do a full stop taxi back to O'Hare.
You want to do this at O'Hare?
Affirmative, sir.
Alright, I'm not sure if they'll be able to approve that tonight, but just give me the call sign one more time.
Alright, it was 842 Kilo Papa, sir. I called TRACON on the phone earlier. It says they might be able to accept me at this time.
Alright, what type aircraft?
Cessna 172.
Number 2 Kilo Papa, squawk 5102.
5102, 842 Kilo Papa.
2 Kilo Papa, radar contact 11 miles southwest of Midway. Just maintain VFR outside the Bravo for now if you want to proceed up towards there. I'll keep you advised. We still have quite a few airplanes for O'Hare right now, so I'm not sure when we're going to be able to fit you in there.
Alright, we'll keep the VFR clear to Bravo for now, and we'll proceed towards O'Hare, but stay clear to Bravo 42 Kilo Papa.
2 Kilo Papa, we coordinated with the tower. We'll be able to do it. You'll be following a heavy Boeing 747 inbound. I'll give you plenty of room behind them. Just continue on that heading, and VFR, please.
Alright, we'll stay on this heading, VFR 842 Kilo Papa. Thank you, sir.
2 Kilo Papa, you're cleared into the Chicago Class Bravo airspace. Maintain VFR at or below 3,500, and I'll point out the traffic you're following shortly.
Clear into the Bravo, air below 3,500 feet. We'll be looking for traffic 842 Kilo Papa.
For 2 Kilo Papa, the heavy 747 is just inside the shoreline now. If you look about 10 o'clock and 5 miles at 4,000 feet.
Inside 842 Kilo Papa.
2 Kilo Papa, follow that traffic to the airport, and you can turn in at your discretion. Caution wake turbulence. And again, you can expect runway 28 center with the tower.
Alright, we'll follow 747, expecting 28 center, 842 Kilo Papa.
2 Kilo Papa, do not overshoot the final, please, or we'll be traffic north of you on the parallel runway.
Alright, we will not overshoot the final, 842 Kilo Papa.
2 Kilo Papa, contact O'Hare Tower now on 120.75. Have a good night.
120.75, 842 Kilo Papa, thanks for help, sir.
You're welcome.
O'Hare Tower, Skyhawk 842 Kilo Papa is with you on the visual, 28 center.
Skyhawk 824 Kilo Papa O'Hare, caution wake turbulence, clear survival, Boeing 747, wind 130 at 4, runway 28 center, cleared to land.
Clear to land, 28 center, 842 Kilo Papa.